Over 60? Eat these 3 simple foods before bed. They could actually help repair your eyes and restore your vision while you sleep. Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and something just feels off? The clock numbers look a bit fuzzy, the sunlight feels too sharp, and for a moment, your vision just doesn't seem ready for the day. You blink, rub your eyes, hoping it'll clear up, but that blur lingers. Now, if you're over 60, here's something you really need to know. That morning haze, that dryness, that heavy, tired feeling in your eyes. It isn't always just age. It's often your eyes quietly telling you they didn't get enough support while you were sleeping. But here's the good news. You can change that. No fancy eye drops, no expensive pills, no complicated routines. Just a few simple, natural foods that work with your body to hydrate, protect, and rebuild your eyes while you rest. Tonight, I want to show you 3 of the most powerful bedtime foods that help restore your eyesight naturally. After working with older adults for over 30 years, I can tell you, the smallest nightly habits can make the biggest difference in how clearly you see every morning. So, if you're tired of hearing there's nothing you can do, stay with me, because your vision deserves better. And before we start, make sure to subscribe to Golden Life Health, where we share science-backed ways to keep your body strong and your health thriving after 60.1. Prunes. Let's begin with something most people overlook. Prunes. Yes, the same ones people usually eat for digestion. But what most don't realize is that these little wrinkled fruits can actually nourish your eyes too. Especially if you're over 60, prunes might just be one of the simplest and most overlooked foods for clearer, more comfortable vision. Inside your eyes are hundreds of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. They act like mini highways that carry oxygen and nutrients to your retina, the part that helps you see colors and detail. As you age, those vessels become stiff and narrow, slowing blood flow and starving your eyes of what they need. That's one reason your eyes may feel tired, foggy, or dry when you wake up. Prunes quietly step in to help. They're packed with vitamin K1, which helps keep blood vessels soft and flexible. Think of it like oiling rusty hinges so everything moves smoothly again. When blood flows better, your eyes receive more oxygen and vital nutrients like lutein and antioxidants that protect against fatigue and strain. That smoother circulation allows your eyes to repair themselves naturally while you sleep. And there's more. Prunes are also rich in potassium, which helps control eye pressure. When you're asleep, pressure inside your eyes tends to rise slightly. For older adults, it sometimes stays high, leaving you with that heavy, cloudy feeling in the morning. Over time, high pressure can even damage the optic nerve, leading to vision loss. Potassium helps balance fluids and keeps that pressure stable. So you wake up with clearer, lighter eyes. And here's something many don't know. Prunes also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act like built-in sunglasses for your eyes. They protect your retina from blue light and oxidative stress, the very things that accelerate aging and blur your vision. I once worked with a 74-year-old man who said every morning felt like he was looking through fogged-up glasses. I told him to eat 2 prunes before bed. That's it. 3 weeks later, he told me, I wake up and I can actually see clearly again. It wasn't a miracle. It was simply his eyes finally getting proper nutrition overnight. If you want to try it yourself, here's how. Eat 1-2 unsweetened, unsulfured prunes about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. You can enjoy them plain or with a spoon of plain yogurt if you prefer a softer texture. They're naturally sweet, high in fiber, and won't spike your blood sugar. In fact, they help keep it steady while you sleep. So don't think of prunes as just a digestive food. Think of them as your nighttime eye repair snack. Small, simple, and surprisingly powerful. They open up circulation, stabilize pressure, and help your retina recover naturally through the night. Just 1 or 2 before bed might be all it takes to start seeing the difference. Pistachios. Here's something that surprises most people. Your eyes don't actually rest while you sleep. Even when closed, your retina is still hard at work, repairing tiny cells, clearing away daytime stress, and processing signals that help maintain your vision. And that's exactly why pistachios are one of the most powerful bedtime snacks for people over 60. They don't just satisfy a late night craving, they actually protect your eyes from the hidden damage caused by age and oxidative stress. As we get older, our eyes face a constant attack from something called oxidative stress, unstable molecules known as free radicals that slowly damage your retinal cells. Over time, that's what leads to blurry vision, poor night sight, and even early signs of macular degeneration. But pistachios fight back. They're loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin, the same powerful nutrients your retina depends on to stay sharp. These nutrients act like tiny bodyguards, quietly protecting your vision while you sleep. And here's something most people never hear. Pistachios naturally contain melatonin, the same hormone your body uses to fall asleep and stay in deep rest. Most folks take melatonin in a pill, but pistachios give it to you naturally, straight from food. When you eat a small handful before bed, you're not just helping your body relax. You're also giving your eyes more time to repair and refresh themselves during deeper sleep. That's why many people notice they wake up with less dryness, less strain, and more comfort in their eyes. But the benefits don't stop there. Pistachios are also rich in magnesium and vitamin B6, two nutrients that older adults often lack. Magnesium helps relax your blood vessels and improve circulation, ensuring your optic nerve receives enough oxygen while you rest. Meanwhile, vitamin B6 helps your body create neurotransmitters, the little messengers that send signals from your eyes to your brain. Without enough of it, that connection slows down, and you start to experience sluggish or blurry vision. Together, magnesium and B6 help your eyes stay responsive and your visual system sharp. I remember a retired teacher, around 67, who told me her eyes always burned and felt dry in the morning. She had tried every drop and supplement she could find, but nothing worked. I asked her to make one small change, replace her bedtime cookie with 6 pistachios. 3 weeks later, she smiled and said, "My eyes feel alive again when I wake up." It wasn't magic. It was just real nourishment doing its job. If you want to try this, go for unsalted roasted pistachios, or even better, raw ones if you can find them. Avoid flavored or salted versions, since sodium can increase pressure and puffiness around your eyes. All you need is 5 to 7 pistachios, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That small handful gives your eyes the antioxidants, melatonin, and nutrients they need to recover while you sleep. So before you close your eyes tonight, remember this. A few pistachios aren't just a snack. They're your eye's natural defense team. They help calm inflammation, support deep, restful sleep, and allow your vision to heal quietly through the night. Sometimes the smallest bedtime habits lead to the biggest changes, and a handful of pistachios could be one of them. 3. Chia seeds. Now let's talk about one of the smallest but most powerful bedtime foods for your eyes. Chia seeds. They may look tiny, but these little black seeds are like mini repair tools, working silently to rebuild and protect your eyes while you sleep. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fats found in fish oil. And if you're over 60, omega-3s are absolutely essential. They strengthen the thin, delicate membranes that surround your retinal cells. As we age, those membranes weaken, making it harder for your eyes to stay hydrated and focused. Omega-3s help restore that elasticity and reduce inflammation, allowing your eyes to recover and stay moist overnight. But chia seeds aren't just rich in healthy fats. They're also natural hydrators. When you soak them in water or almond milk, they swell up into a soft, jelly-like texture. That gel holds moisture, and when you drink it before bed, it helps your body and your eyes stay hydrated through the night. Think about it. While you sleep, your body slowly loses water, and your eyes are usually the first to feel the dryness. That's why many older adults wake up with gritty, burning eyes. A simple glass of soaked chia before bed can change that. It also helps balance blood sugar while you sleep. When your blood sugar spikes or crashes at night, it can stress the tiny capillaries in your eyes and cause morning blur or swelling. Chia's natural fiber slows digestion, keeping your blood sugar steady and your eyes calm through the night. And here's another bonus. Chia contains an amino acid called tryptophan. This little compound helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, the hormones responsible for deep sleep and relaxation. So not only do chia seeds help your eyes repair physically, but they also help you drift into the kind of restful sleep your body truly needs to heal. I once met a woman in her 70s who told me she couldn't remember the last time she woke up without dry, sticky eyes. She'd tried drops, ointments, even a humidifier. Nothing worked. I suggested something simple. Soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in almond milk and drink it 30 minutes before bed. 2 weeks later, she came back with a smile and said, "My eyes actually feel fresh when I wake up." That's the quiet magic of natural foods. They work with your body, not against it. If you'd like to try it yourself, soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water or almond milk for about 20-30 minutes before bed. Once it turns into a soft gel, drink it slowly. It's simple, soothing, and effective. With consistency, you'll notice your eyes feel clearer, more hydrated, and less irritated in the mornings. The bedtime ritual. Now that you know the 3 powerful foods that help your eyes heal while you sleep, let's bring them together into one easy bedtime habit. I call it the Vision Repair Trio. About 45 to 60 minutes before bed, create a small, peaceful routine for yourself. 2 prunes, for healthy circulation and blood flow to the retina. 6 pistachios, to calm oxidative stress and support deeper sleep. 1 serving of soaked chia gel, to hydrate and protect your eye cells overnight. That's it. 3 simple foods that quietly work together as you rest. While you sleep, prunes open up blood flow, pistachios strengthen and protect, and chia keeps everything hydrated and balanced. The secret isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Make this a small act of care every night. Dim the lights, put your phone away, and give yourself that calm space to unwind. That simple ritual helps your body relax, lowers stress hormones, and signals your eyes that it's time to rest and repair. Do this nightly and you may start noticing the difference. Less dryness, sharper mornings, and more comfort throughout the day. If you ever want to switch it up, you can replace prunes with dates, pistachios with walnuts, or chia with flax seeds. The key is keeping the rhythm, a few minutes of care that your body learns to respond to. Remember, healing doesn't always come from big changes. Sometimes it starts with the smallest, most mindful moments before you close your eyes. So, there you have it. 3 simple bedtime foods that can help your eyes repair, rehydrate, and restore your vision naturally while you sleep. Prunes, pistachios, and chia seeds. No pills, no expensive products, just real, natural foods working with your body. Your eyes have served you faithfully all your life, helping you read, work, and see the people you love. Now it's time to give them the care they truly deserve. Try this bedtime ritual for a week and notice the change. Clearer mornings, less eye strain, and a brighter, more comfortable start to your day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Golden Life Health for more simple, science-backed ways to stay healthy and strong after 60. And before you go, check out our next video. It'll show you another easy, natural way to protect your vision as you age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.